Hello guys, this is Amol Khedkar. I welcome you to this video. Today I'll be talking about the article that you see on your screen which says India's first coronavirus patient treated with plasma therapy recovers. This is the first thing that has happened in the entire world right now. Okay, so this is a very big news for India, and you're hearing this news for the first time on my channel. So before we start, please do subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share the video so that I can bring to you interesting news and worldwide politics and geopolitics as soon as possible. So let's get started. By using the convalescent plasma therapy, a coronavirus patient has been successfully recovered and has to be on 14-day self-isolation. Delhi hospital says it's encouraging news for the country. Okay, as you know, all over the world, people are trying to use the plasma therapy, which is what that means is that you just take the plasma from a recovered patient and then inject it into the patient that is infected with coronavirus, and that's how you start building antibodies into the infected patient, and that's how the infected patient recovers. So countries all over the world were trying to make this happen as soon as possible, but India is the front runner in this. India is leading the world in this field as well, where a patient, a first patient now has been administered the plasma therapy on compassionate grounds, as you can see here. Okay, what that means is that that person was in a pretty bad condition, and permission was taken from his family and him to administer this antibody test, so that he can recover out of it. It is encouraging news for India. He was finally discharged today. He will be in home quarantine for another 2 weeks as per the government norm. Okay, it was a 49-year-old patient who had moderate symptoms and a history of fever and respiratory issues, and that guy has completely recovered as of now. So this is a really big news for a country like India. As you all know, the health infrastructure in India is really not at par with most of the developed countries like Spain, Italy, or UK, France, Germany, US, Canada. So even then, right now, India is leading the world in this crisis. So that's really something that you should be proud of if you are a citizen of India right now. His condition deteriorated during the next few days, and he soon required external oxygen to maintain saturation. He soon developed pneumonia with type 1 respiratory failure and had to be put on a ventilator. So look at this. The situation was pretty bad, and that's why this antibody was the plasma therapy was administered on basis of humanitarian issues. Okay, so compassionate issues. When the patient showed no improvement in his condition, his family requested the hospital for the administration of plasma therapy on compassionate grounds, a first of its kind treatment modality that was used for this disease in India. Understand this, okay? This is the first of its kind treatment that is used in India or from all over the entire world, okay? So this is the first time a patient is recovered from plasma therapy anywhere in the world. The family came forward to arrange a donor for extracting plasma. The donor had recovered from the infection confirmed by 2 consecutive negative reports 3 weeks before her donation, and again tested COVID 19 negative at the time of donation, along with other standard tests to rule out infections like hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV. Okay, so the donor was tested 2 times, and then the plasma was extracted from her and then administered to the infected patient. According to Max Hospital doctors, a single donor can donate 400 ml of plasma, which can save 2 lives, as 200 ml is sufficient to treat one patient. After receiving the treatment, the patient showed progressive improvement and by the fourth day was weaned off ventilator support on the morning of April 18th and continued on supplementary oxygen. He had started taking the oral feeds in 24 hours after being off ventilator support. So just understand this, okay? One person can give 400 ml of plasma, and that can help two people, because 200 ml of plasma is sufficient for one infected coronavirus patient to get treated. Okay, so this is something that is really very breakthrough that has happened in India just now, and I really wanted to give you guys this news as soon as possible, so that you guys can be informed about what exactly is happening in the world. and how India is leading the charge in this coronavirus pandemic. So if you learned something new from this video, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.